Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a flyer or a banner using your mobile phone without using any data, without using any money, using your mobile phone. So the only thing that you need in your phone is to install KineMaster application in your device. You can find the KineMaster application on Play Store. Then after you install, you then launch your application. It goes to this page, right? Then these are my projects. So for this illustration, I'm going to create another project. Then we say create. As you can see, there are different aspect ratios here. These are for different social media platforms, as this application can also create videos for different social media platforms. So in this sample we are going to use this 1:1. Then you say create, or you can just type your project name. Then right, when it goes here, this is where you are supposed to find your own background for the flyer or the banner that you want to make. So for the solid colors or the colors, plain colors that you want to use, you go where it is retain image access here. Then these are the colors which are there, or you can just change, you can just choose in, and then you change the background later, change the background color later. So here I'm going to choose this white color. Then when I change the color, I tap there where there is an X, top right corner, that X. Then you can see from that right side there is where it is written color. I can even change my color as well. There are many colors here, or you can just create your own color using this. Right, so we are going to use our white here as our background. Then when you are done, you tap back on that side. Then as you can see, my project is showing me that I'm going to edit on the end of my background, so I should go back there. Then I start from where it begins. Then for you to put text on your flyer or a banner, you have to tap layer. Then after tapping layer, you tap text. Then you write. Right, let's start by writing our text sample. Yes, sample designing. Right, my text color is white and my background is white here, so I have to change the color of my text. I go and tap where it is written color there. I go to grid, then I choose the color that I want to use. Let's use blue. Right, for you to change the font type, you go and tap font. There are many fonts that are there. You choose the font type that you want to use. Then we have our text here. Just drag the text to the position that you want it to be on. Right, so my text is going to be there. Let's say I want to put a background color for my text. Then I move on here, I move on where it is written background color there. I tap enable. Then I go where there is a mosaic feature there. Then I choose the background color that I want. Then I tap OK. Then this is the background color, right? If you want it to be from the edge up to the edge, then you tap full width background. Then it will be like this now. Right, we are done on putting text. So whenever you want to put text, that is only the process that you will be doing wherever you want to put the text. Now let's say you want to put a picture. You tap here, you will hear it first, right? Then you put layer again, you tap media, images, then you choose the image that you want to use from your files here. Let's say I want to use this. I've tapped it. As you can see, it is appearing down there, so I've tapped it. I go back, then here it is, my picture. Right, let's say you want to crop or do whatever you want. You type crop here, mask, you can just put a, you can have your picture in form of any shape that you want it, which is there, right? Let's say I want to use this circle, so I've chosen this circle. Now for you to place your picture where you want it to be on, you just have to drag it up to the position that you want. So my picture is going to be there now, right? For text, remember I said you just go where it is written text here, you put the text in, right? You change the color again, right? You drag the text to the position that you want it to be on, and you can continue doing this, you can continue doing this. Right, so guys, let's say you want to put a watermark on your flyer or a banner. You can just do the same process that you do when you are adding a picture, right? You tap on layer there, you choose the picture that you want to use as your background. Just go there. Let's say I want to use the same picture that I was using. I tap the picture. As you can see, it appears there, down there. Then I want to put it as a watermark. I just go down there, I tap where it is written alpha opacity, then I reduce the alpha opacity here. As you can see, it's becoming a watermark. Then like this, I can also zoom the picture for it to be a large picture. As you can see now, it becomes a watermark. Then the text is now not actually visible enough, so I can go to the text down there. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm going to the text down there, right? I go where it is written video editing, I tap it, then on the three dots which are far on the top left corner there, the three dots, I tap the three dots, then I tap bring to front, then the text is now on the front, so it is now becoming visible. I go to the other text, I do the same. I go to the other text, I do the same, right? So the text is now visible. If it is not visible at all, you can also change the text color so that it becomes a visible text like this. So you can see now the text is very visible, right? Whatever you want to add now is just the same process. You can add the picture, you can add the more text, you can add more pictures. As you can see, this picture is not clearly visible, so I can just do the same again. I bring it to front, then it becomes more visible like this. So this is our sample for the designing process of a banner or a flyer. For those who are new, you may please subscribe and follow so that you get more information on how to create a banner or a flyer. So after you are done creating your flyer, you have to save your flyer, right? The process of saving a flyer is just as simple. You don't need any data or anything to download the flyer. Just click where it is more like a screenshot, a feature there, and there, then the fourth feature, which is the tap there, then you say capture and save. Then the flyer is automatically in your gallery. You can find it in your files. Let's go to the files now. We can find our banner there.